If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time you drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
Hi, I'm Heli Vyas and here I am today at the Glamrs office to show you all a lovely new look that I have in mind. So I'll be using purple, dark navy blue and light blue. So let's begin. Now that I'll be using dark colors and bright colors together, I'll be packing my under eye with powder so that I don't spoil my base. Because usually all the pigments always fall around this area. Today I'll be using a NYX highlighter. It's got a beautiful shimmer to it and it lasts all day. Move in the direction of your eyebrow and place it right about here. So now you see when you move slightly, any light that falls on your face, it reflects it and gives a good curve to your eye. So let's go in for our first color, which is going to be a deep, rich purple. Now I've got it on my eyeshadow brush. Here you go. And let's place it at the end of the eyelid, creating a V going inward into the crease. Be careful and gentle with the strokes. Keep patting your brush. You can see that there's like a little V going in there. Now we taken our blending brush and taken some more product, just a little bit, not too much, to make it slightly darker, and we blend outward. Blending is actually fun, you know. Take it slow, be easy, be patient, and your final look will turn out fabulous. So now I'm gonna pull and blend till the beginning of my highlighter. If you can see, it touches right there. For me, I can actually pull it that far because I've got enough space between my eyelid and my brow bone area. For people who've got a very compact, tight space around here and don't have much of area, what y'all can do is y'all can end your blending and your dark color that y'all use on your eye just right about here within your crease, and don't pull it too further so that y'all can actually distinguish the highlighter and the shadow. Next, we take in our second shade, which is a light, beautiful sea blue, and we use it on the inside corner. The lighter shade goes right in there. Again, pat your color right in the beginning. So here, use the flat eyeshadow brush to pat the product and the beautiful light blue shade. Don't go all the way because there's a third color coming up which will go right in the center. So make sure you stay right at the beginning. Don't worry about placing a bit too much or less product. It just has to be even because we'll be blending it all together. So people always wonder what's the logic behind placing a light color in the inside corner of your eye. The answer is very simple. It actually opens up your eye and gives a brighter look. So I'm going in for my third color and the final one, which is a dark navy blue. I take it into my eyeshadow brush and pat again, right in the center between the two shades, between the purple and the light blue. So now we're placing it right in the center, after which we can blend and merge all the three shades, creating a beautiful eyeshadow. I'm going in for a second round of some eyeshadow since I want it a little more darker. Let's put in our second round of dark blue. So dabbing is really important, and many people make this mistake where they keep dragging and pulling the product and then they wonder, oh, why isn't my color showing? It's really light. And what they don't realize is they're actually dusting all of the product away instead of depositing it right on the eyelid. So as you can see, I've added all the three colors a bit more so that I can teach you all how to blend. Let's take our blending brush. What you need to do is blur the line right between both the colors, and always remember, the lighter shade inside, move it towards your darker shade, and then the dark blue will go into the purple, so you merge and you blend. So let's begin with the felt tip liner. It's got a very sharp point, so it's very easy for people who struggle with drawing their eyeliner. Go thin right at the inner corner. Now if it's hard, you can always take the support of your little pinky finger and place it on your cheekbone. To get your perfect winged liner, stay in the line of the lower lash. So this is where it ends, and that's your guideline to pull it out. And then you draw it inward, reaching the rest of your liner. Make the inner corner tip nice and sharp. So now to finish our look, let's start with a kajal pencil and add a little more color to your look. Let's take in the light blue that we used in the inside corner. Deposit the color right below your kajal. And the last touch would be the highlighter shade that we used. Use it right in the corner, just right about there, to open your eye and give a beautiful finish. I'm going to use my lash curler. Now I'm using the Maybelline mascara. It's called the Volume Express and it's absolutely fabulous. It separates all the lashes very well and gives a very beautiful natural look. So a cool trick that y'all could use to get fuller lashes would be use the tip and fill in the gaps if you've missed any. Same goes for the lower lash. So I finished the look on one eye just to focus and show y'all how it's done, and I'll be going ahead and finishing the other eye to show y'all the complete look.